Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 94 of Building the Tumbler from Hachette and DC and anyone else that owns the rights to it. So, in this issue, we've not got much building to do, but we have got some interesting stuff. We're going to be looking in the electronics again, testing it all out. Courtesy car. I don't know. Doesn't get his own car? I was Viper that Batman lent him. Strange. Okay. Who's the new Batman? Why have we got a new Batman? Oh, because Bruce Wayne died. Did he? Tim Drake tries to convince Dick Grayson to take on the role. Dick, aka the new Batman. So yeah, Robin becomes Batman. As is probably sort of. Yeah. So there we go. So yes, all we get in this is our big turntable plaque. We built a turntable way back. I don't know exactly when. Back issue 30. There we go. So yeah, we get to put the turny bit into this, and that gives us a larger platform. But then all the electronics come into play. We get to test it, check out the lights and things. So we'll try and make sure it all works. So let me clear this out of the way. We'll get the turntable built, and then we'll bring in the electronics and test everything else out. So the turntable that we got way back when, and the big plate that we've got now. Don't know if it's got other bits to hold it together a bit further, but that just sits on there by the looks of it. But it does a bit, and that is sort of proud of that. So, yep, there we go. We do indeed have a tumbler base plate. It's quite slippy. Even putting quite a lot of pressure on it, it does turn quite a lot because there's going to be quite a lot of pressure on it. So there we go. That's that. I don't know if that's actually going to stay in there. Yeah, probably will. So I'll move that to one side. Then we do need to bring in everything else. We've got our entire assembly that we've been working on over the last few issues. And I need to dig out all the electronics and everything and plug it all up. So let me get the board in and we'll plug all of these back in and we'll see what happens. Right, I've plugged in the ones it told me to plug in. There are a couple that we haven't, but I don't know exactly why not. It's all to do with the other bit that we've not fitted in. But for now, we've got the other lights that we've not plugged in yet, which work. This button controls the two spotlights, which do work. So we've got all of that, which works. Then the spoiler should do things, but it isn't. Don't know. It did make some noises when I just tested it, but now it's not doing anything. And I know the battery's still okay because it's not even trying to do things. There we go. That one's making noises. That should have done. But I'll have a play around and figure things out. But I don't know. There's obviously something not right with it, but I don't know exactly what it is. Something should be moving, but it's not. I'll play around with the connections, make sure that does things. But other than that, I'm not too bothered. What I might try and do in this bit and see if I can get these to work as well. I will. I'll plug everything together and test it while I'm holding it carefully. So let me play around with it. I'll come back and show you in a minute, hopefully, a bit more working. Right, I've plugged everything in. There are still a couple of plugs that aren't doing anything or aren't going anywhere, but there's obviously the internal illumination and other things. These lights have come on, obviously with those as well. So that's the main headlights. That makes sense to me. The spotlights are working like that over there. The cockpit is not doing anything. I don't know why as yet. There is one here that's not plugged in. I think it might be extra power for the servos. So I'm not entirely certain. But yeah, so if I turn off the lights, the spotlights, The jet boost just does noises. I think it doesn't. Yeah, I think that's just that. Might be lights for the back engine. I'm not entirely certain. Left and right doesn't do anything. I think that would be the steering, but that's again other plugs that aren't plugged in yet. Now the spoilers does something. I can hear it. You won't be able to hear it, but you might be able to see a little bit of movement after it does the sound effects. It moved a little bit. Did you see it? It moved. I didn't do it. It's moving a little bit. I'm sure it should move more. The other one's moving a little bit as well. I'm not surprised. The whole mechanism for that seems a little bit ropey. So I'm not shocked that it's not working properly. It might ease in. The more I'm pushing it, the more it seems to be moving a little bit, maybe. But hey, I'm not concerned about that in the slightest. The lights are the coolest bit. So yeah, the fact that most of it is working, I'm happy with. The cockpit bit, I'm not sure. There's probably other parts that need to be powered up or for that to work, because it hasn't told us to test that yet. That is going to fit on there like so. I like it. I do like it. It's nice. It's going together well. Not entirely certain how the rest of it's going to all fit together, but that's not actually attached to anything down on the sides here. So that's just got attached to something else. But for now, I'm happy with that as it is. I shall put this aside. I'll unplug all the wires and electrics and everything and put it away until next time when, well, told me what we're going to be doing next time, didn't it? It's the lower left and right panels. And lots more screws. So I don't know exactly what's involved in that, but we'll get there in another month. So thank you for joining me for this. I hope you've enjoyed it. I certainly have. And I'll see you for more very soon. Bye bye for now.